When you press a button in an aircraft cockpit, tons of metal start moving. Landing gear deploys. Flaps extend. Brakes engage. All powered by one system. Today, we're breaking down aircraft hydraulic systems, how they're installed, how they work, and why failure is not an option. Aircraft systems require enormous force in very limited space. Electric motors alone are often too heavy. Mechanical linkages are impractical. Hydraulics provide high power, precise control, and reliability which is why they're used in critical aircraft systems. This pump pressurizes hydraulic fluid often up to 3,000 psi or more. Every aircraft hydraulic system starts with a pump. The fluid is stored in a reservoir, filtered to extreme cleanliness standards. Even microscopic contamination can cause failure. Pressurized fluid travels through rigid lines and flexible hoses to actuators. These actuators convert pressure into motion. Control valves regulate direction, speed, and force gaucho, ensuring smooth, predictable movement. Installing hydraulic systems inside an aircraft is not about convenience. It's about safety, redundancy, and accessibility. Hydraulic lines are routed away from heat sources, sharp edges, and moving structures. Clamps and supports prevent vibration damage.
Every routing decision considers inspection, maintenance, and failure isolation.
Aircraft never rely on a single hydraulic system. Most use multiple independent systems. If one system fails, another immediately takes over. AI-assisted engineering allows designers to simulate pressure loss, temperature rise, and failure scenarios before flight. Routing conflicts, stress points, and vibration risk are detected early. Designs are refined long before installation begins. AI doesn't replace aerospace engineers. It helps them see problems before they become dangerous. Most hydraulic failures come from leaks, contamination, or fatigue.
That's why installation quality matters as much as component design.
Precision, cleanliness, and inspection are critical at every stage. Aircraft hydraulic systems move massive loads with precision and reliability. They are carefully installed, protected, and backed up. Behind every smooth landing is a system designed to never fail, even when something goes wrong. Should we break down aircraft landing gear, ship propulsion systems, or engine installations next? Comment below and subscribe to MechWorks AI, real mechanical systems powered by AI.